What's up, fellow YouTubers? You have your boy Harvey Harv here, original Harvey Harv here, and today I'm going to teach you guys an 8-count stick and sequence. Alright, before we get started, for those who are new to the channel, subscribe and hit the notification button so you can keep up with this content I'm bringing. Here go the 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so jumping into it. The left hand, it's like doing a high marm, but you stop it halfway. You're going to put your index finger on top. Alright, and then you're going to come down. We call this the elevator. Here, down. So that's the first 2 counts. 1, 2. Count 3 and 4 is with the right hand. 3, 4. Alright, so easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, you're going to do a little right hand flip. Okay? So one more time, first 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, count 5 and 6. 5. You just turn your hand. Palm is facing up now. 6. Alright, you're gonna grab it between your thumb. So this is your fulcrum on your left hand. Alright, so that's count 6. 7, you're still holding it with your fulcrum. Now you grab the stick right here. 8, you do a hello mom. Alright, so one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now for count 8, which is tricky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? So now for count 8, what you want to do is take the stick from here and bring it halfway over. Now you put your index finger under this side. Alright? And then you finish out the hello mom. So one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit the notification button, and see you next time. Peace.
All I do is eat, sleep,